Cabbage water, also called cabbage juice, is made from cabbages. It is a rich source of nutrients like vitamin B6, vitamin C, folate, etc. In this video, we will be telling you some health benefits of cabbage water. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to Natural Health Remedies to continue receiving great content. Cabbage belongs to the Brassica genus, which includes other vegetables such as broccoli, kale, and cauliflower. These vegetables are known as cruciferous vegetables, and cabbage is a well-known delicacy. Cabbage is highly nutritional and can be eaten raw, cooked, or juiced. Cabbage juice has the advantage of being easier to consume. Here are 5 amazing health benefits of cabbage juice. 1. Prevents inflammation. Although inflammation can be a positive response to stress and infection, it can also become a problem. When the inflammation occurs over a long period, it becomes chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a symptom of diseases such as heart disease, rheumatoid arthritis, etc. It is caused by the accumulation of free radicals in the body, which damages cells. Cabbage juice contains antioxidants such as sulforaphane and kaempferol, which get rid of these free radicals. It is also rich in vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C also helps in boosting the immune system. 2. Improves digestion. Cabbage juice is a source of both insoluble and soluble fiber. Research has shown that it is a good remedy for stomach ulcers and helps prevent gut problems. Insoluble fiber cannot be digested by the intestines and therefore adds bulk to stools and improves gut movement. Soluble fiber promotes the growth of gut-friendly bacteria such as lactobacilli and bifidobacteria. These bacteria protect the immune system and produce essential nutrients like K2 and B12. 3. Keeps your heart healthy. Red cabbage contains compounds called anthocyanins, which give it a vibrant purple color. Anthocyanins are flavonoids that have been linked with a low risk of developing heart diseases. Research conducted on 344,488 people showed that taking 10 milligrams of flavonoids daily lowers the risk of heart disease by 5%. The anti-inflammatory properties of anthocyanins have been suggested to be the reason. Inflammation is related to heart diseases, and cabbage contains over 30 kinds of anthocyanins. 4. Improves blood clotting. Cabbage juice is rich in vitamin K1, a critical nutrient for blood clotting. A single cup of cabbage juice provides 85% of the recommended daily intake. Vitamin K1, also known as phylloquinone, is a cofactor for enzymes responsible for blood clotting. Lack of vitamin K1 in the blood would lead to severe bleeding that can be fatal. 5. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is known to lead to heart disease and stroke and affects 1 billion people over the world. Doctors advise against the intake of salt, which contains sodium, a risk factor for the disease. Besides minimal intake of table salt, adding potassium to your diet also helps lower blood pressure. Potassium balances the sodium level in the body, excreting excess sodium in the urine and releasing the pressure in blood vessel walls. Consuming potassium-rich foods like cabbage protects you from developing high blood pressure. Cabbage juice would be a great addition to your diet. It is cheap to purchase, low in calories, and very nutritious. With anti-inflammatory and gut-friendly properties, it is a very healthy choice. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and do not forget to like this video and share it. Subscribe to Natural Health Remedies and turn on the notification bell to avoid missing any new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 10 reasons to drink warm lemon water with sea salt.